Hello Tigers, and I am back with another video since one of you guys asked about this, and I'm thankful that you're sending in your questions now. And I know that this has been a topic that a couple of you have been struggling with since last year, and although I've been trying to teach it in different ways, I realized maybe that's confusing, so I want to stick with one simple trick that my middle school teacher taught me, and after that all these questions were a breeze for me, and I believe that you'll do the same. If you have a repetition in what you're doing, you'll get better at it sooner or later. So I have a golden rule right here for integer subtractions, where you simply turn the subtraction into an addition problem by doing the keep, change problem. You just have to remember this when you have integer subtractions. So let me bring in an equation box. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to keep the first number and for number 1 we have negative 48. So we're just going to keep our negative 48. Then we're going to change the sign. What's our sign? It's a negative. So it's going to be a positive. Next, we're going to change our next number, which is 45. We're actually going to make that a negative 45. I'm going to put a parentheses around it so you guys don't get confused with the positive negative right by each other. So the parentheses really doesn't mean anything. I'm just going to put that there so you're not confused. So what will our answer be? Negative 48 plus negative 45. We're basically adding the same things, and we're just using the same sign that they both have, and that's going to be negative 93. So that would be, that would be your answer for this one right here. And then let's move on to the second one using our rule. So we're going to keep the first one, like we said, we're going to keep the 1. The 1, I always tell you, if it doesn't have a negative, that means there's a positive sign hiding right by it. We just know that that number is a positive number. So we're going to keep 1. The next sign is a negative, so we're going to change that into a positive. Yes, I was waiting for you to answer. I hope you're talking and writing along with me, because whenever I talk things out while I'm studying, it really helps me. So I recommend that you talk to yourself to make sense of it sometimes. Trust me, no one's going to think that there's something going on with you. Okay, so the next thing is, the next number is a negative 3. How are we going to change that? We will change that into a positive 3. So because it's a positive, like I said, we don't have to write positive 3. Since 1 we know is a positive with a hidden positive sign, we can just write 3, which will also have a hidden 3 or hidden positive sign in front of it. So it's just going to be 1 plus 3. An easier way to remember this also is if you see a number minus a negative number, I always tell you that minus minus equals a positive. So if you kept that in mind, that's great. But if that doesn't make sense to you, just use a keep, change rule, which we keep the first number, change the sign, and then we change the sign of the next number. In which case, it's going to be 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 is, it's a very easy question for you right here now, 4. So I hope that you really understand. Please use this rule. It's going to benefit you a lot. I'm really thankful that I learned this simple method. It will really help you out in the future as well. Please text me not text me, sorry, please email me or message me through Google Classroom. All of your messages are private, so don't feel shy. Just ask away and I will get your questions and I'll send you more videos. See you later. Bye.